What are you doing in here? Trying to relax, man. Want a little tune? What we got here? Look at that little cool musical instrument. We find these in the fields, metal detecting sometimes, without that bar in the middle, and they look a bit different to that. That's a new one. But that's a Jew's harp. Well, they can't say Jew's harp anymore for some stupid reason, so it's a jaw harp. Right, let's have a look how you play it. Got the Jew's harp out tonight. I'm no expert at playing it, as you've probably just seen. But the way you do it, hold it with 2 fingers, push it against your teeth and leave a gap in your teeth like that. Then put your lips to cushion in it. So, you got that like that now. And you've got to use your tongue. Right, the farther back your tongue goes, put my tongue right at the back now. Then I put my tongue right at the front. I'll do the 2. Then you can go, shake your tongue backwards and forward. And you can, if you breathe, it gives it a vibe. That's normal. And then I breathe. I'll do it now when I say hello. Also, if you look at the gaps in that, where's the camera? There. So if you look at the gap, if you push your lips too hard, it's going to do that, and then it will do this. Buzzes on your teeth, and it buzzes on that. Also, if you drop your teeth down too much and go bang, it can chip your teeth. So don't do that. Stephen Gray used to be an expert at playing the Jew's harp. Love you, Steve. And then you grab it with your lips. So like that. And you have to push this 2 bars against your teeth. And to change the pitch by moving the tongue in and out. You need to play it for a few seconds just to, you know, that it's set right in your mouth. That's it. So that's me trying to tell you how to play the Jew's harp when I can't even play it myself. But it's another instrument, isn't it? You can't pick an instrument up and learn how to play it perfect or at all. straight away. But with the Jews harp, you get these for about, I think you get them on eBay for about £3, £4, and it's a bit of fun. Just remember, don't chip them teeth, man. You bring that down too close, dang, you've lost your teeth. But yeah, anyone who gets one, order one off eBay and do a little video and send me the video. I want to see how you play the Jaws harp. Still, I'll call it Jews harp. That's what it is, isn't it? The Jews used to play the harp, and that's what it is, the Jews harp. But yeah, I want to see your videos. So come on Facebook, Detecting Anonymous UK on Facebook. Come over there with your videos and show us some videos of you playing the Jews harp. Happy days. Keep you busy, won't it? Love you all. Keep safe. Stay at home. Keep safe, and don't be a stupid. Oh, you could be a little bit stupid, but just don't go out. See you in a bit. Love ya.